Hello everyone. Welcome to Inspire. You are watching short and sweet tutorial series. This series is for beginners and new learners who want to start learning Adobe Premiere Pro software but they don't know where to start or how to start. I will show you very basics of video editing in Premiere Pro step by step. In this episode 1 will show you how to remove green screen and I will show you how to create a video background using green screen stock videos and images in Adobe Premiere Pro. I will use still image background of a city street and add some crowd on it. You can use stock footage also. It is very easy to remove chroma screen. So let's get started and jump into the Premiere Pro software. I have imported these assets in project panel here. Background, green screen video, and this is our timeline. Now I will put background on layer 1 on timeline, as background is a still image. I will keep it till 15 seconds. Then I will select crowd layer and double click on it. It will show in source panel. Here in this video I have two angles of same crowd. I will select this front angle because this angle will match with our background layer. Select this and drag it to the timeline. Now I have to merge crowd with the background here. To remove green screen from the footage I will go to Effect panel here. Open Video Effects and open a keying section in it. These are keying effects. In this we will select Ultra key to remove green part from our video. Now go to Effect Control panel here. We can see Ultra key effect properties here. First click on Eyedropper tool to select this green color. When you select it, it will automatically remove the green color from a footage. Now you can see the background layer also. I will hide this background layer so that you can see the effect I will change on this video. I will zoom it a little bit more to see it clearly. Here I will select Alpha Channel in Output option. Alpha Channel used to check transparency. Black part is transparent and white part is visible part in Alpha Channel. Now I will open this matte generation option here. With this we can tweak the effect manually. First I will increase the transparency value here. It makes our video more transparent. To see proper result I will switch this output to Alpha Channel. You can see here the black part which is transparent. Now I will reset it to its default value. This highlight value will change green pixels in highlighted areas only. And this shadow value works in dark pixels only. Now after setting values here we will get back to composite. Background layer is hidden right now so I will make it visible. Now here I will adjust its starting point. In this video people are looking like floating in air. So I will change this position value here and keep it here something like this. Now I will scale down this layer to 50% and put it here on right side. People are looking 3D models. They are not real crowd. So I will keep this layer small, so that it can look natural. Now some part of the crowd looks like they are standing on road so I will mask out this with pen tool. Go to opacity and select pen tool here. And draw a mask here on this layer. Make sure the mask is not cutting any person in a frame. You can adjust mask with these points here. Accurate masking is important to make your video good. Now I will copy and paste the same video on timeline and keep it on top of the layers. Then I will change the position here somewhere. And change the timing also. And then I will adjust the mask of this video, so that it cannot look repeated. Avoid repetitions of videos in same place. You can repeat same video if you are putting it little far somewhere like opposite side of footpath. I will change masking somewhere here to avoid same people. And keep this video somewhere here. I will follow the same process to put some crowd in opposite side also. To copy video, hold Alt key on your keyboard and select and drag the video on another layer. Now I will select this layer and place it somewhere here, opposite side somewhere. To match this crowd with this place, we need to make colors dark of this crowd layer. I will select the layer and go to Effect panel. Search curves here, and apply RGB curves effect on this layer. Then I will go to Effect Control panel and drag this point towards dark side. And this second point will move towards right side. I will make this crowd footage little bit dark. Now it looks better here. I will flip this layer horizontally. Then copy another layer and place it somewhere here. I will drag this video layers downside so that we can see more layers on top. To add layer, drag any layer here on blank space, it will make a new layer automatically. Then follow the same method to add more crowd, or you can use any other video also. So like this you can remove green screen or blue screen using Alt key. You can add anything you want here to make your video interesting. You can add cars, you can add birds, or you can add rain clouds. And you can make some still image to some beautiful video background. Try green screen stock videos to practice and make some interesting stuff with your videos and images. Start practicing green screen removal and make some cool interesting stuff. And if you like this video and learned something useful, then hit on the like button and subscribe to this channel for more editing and VFX videos and tutorials.